In this video, we are going to learn how to insert and use slicer in Google Sheets. To insert slicer, we can simply click anywhere on our data table. We need to go to Data tab. In Data tab, we need to look for this option, Add a Slicer. Once we find this option, we need to simply click on this. Once we click on this option, Add a Slicer, you will see on the right side we have Slicer window. The first thing that you need to check is that the range selected is exactly same as we have for data table on which we want to apply the slicer. For our data table, we have range for D1 to F21 and the same range is already selected here. The second thing what you need to do, you need to select the column on which you want to apply the slicer. Here we have three columns: order ID, category and amount. And these three columns you can see here. Let's say we want to apply slicer on column category. We will simply click on column category. Once we click on column category, our slicer is ready to use. Now how to use slicer? We can click here or we can click here to use it. Let's say we click here and we want to see results only for furniture. We will uncheck other options and we will keep the furniture checked. We will go for OK and you can see we have only lines that belongs to furniture. Let's say we want to see furniture as well as office supplies. We will check this office supplies as well. We will go for OK. We have lines that belongs to furniture as well as office supplies. Let's say we want to remove this filter. We can simply click on this select all. We will go for OK and the filter has been removed. We can further edit our slicer. We need to click on these three dots. We need to click on edit slicer. We can go to customize. In this customize, we can further edit the font. We can change text color. We can change background color. Let's say we want to change background color into maybe blue. Let's say I will select this. The background color has been changed. Let's say I want to change text color. Let's say maybe black. I will select this black. I can change even the font. I can make the font bold. I can even change the title. Let's say here we have category. I can change the heading or title of our slicer. I can even use two slicer at a time. How I can use two slicer? I will simply click here. I will copy the slicer. Then I can use Ctrl+V to paste the slicer. Then I will select here. I will click on these three dots, edit slicer. Here I can go to data and I can change here column. Let's say I will select amount. Now let's say I want to see furniture. I will click here on category. I will select furniture only. I will go for OK. Now let's say for furniture, I want to see the amounts that are greater than 300. What I will do, I will go to amount slicer. I will click here. I can use filter by condition or I can even check and uncheck from here. I will go to filter by condition. Here I can select greater than. As I want to see greater than 300, I will write here 300. I will go for OK. And you can see in this way, I can use two slicers at a time. So in this way, we can use slicer in Google Sheets. Even we can use more than one slicer at a time in Google Sheets. Hope you like this video.